Nung bata pa ako sa Bicol, mangingisda at principal si Daddy at public school teacher naman si Mami. Walang pera, pero may pangarap. Ang pangarap na yan hindi magkakatotoo kung hindi tayo marunong mag-budget. Ngayon, I will share with you ang effective budgeting system na ginagamit ng millions of Filipinos at makikita ninyo kung bakit. Hindi lang basta jar system ito. This is the Salveses Modified Jar Method. Ginagamit na rin ito di lang ng mga breadwinners kundi pati na rin mga OFW families worldwide. 60, 15, 10, 555. Pero wait, may kwento bawat jar. Necessities jar yung 60%, rent, groceries, kuryente, yung mga kailangan para mabuhay tayo ng maayos. According to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas 2019 Consumer Finance Survey, average Filipino families spend 58 to 65% on necessities, kaya tamang-tama. Long-term purchases jar, 15%. Dream house, car, business capital, dito mo i-save para sa mga malalaking pangarap mo. Freedom jar, 10%. Investments, retirement fund. Sabi ng PSA, only 15% of Filipinos have formal savings, pero ikaw, naging part na ng financial free. Play jar, 5%. Guilt-free na milk tea, concert tickets, o yung Korean skincare na trending sa TikTok. Education jar naman, 5%. Upskill, Coursera, webinars, books. The Department of Labor says continuous learning increases income by 23% on average. Ito naman, giving jar, 5%. Para sa kapamilya, charity o community. Filipinos are naturally generous, pero gawing systematic yan. O sige, test natin. Saang jar ilalagay ang mga to? Driver training. Kuryente bill. Palawan trip. Lola's medicine. From a cash-poor kid in Bicol to helping millions budget, lahat nagsisimula sa simpleng sistema. Your financial freedom starts with one jar at a time, katala. Abangan ang mga susunod na financial videos with me, Salve Ibanez, your financial beshi, sa official Facebook and TikTok pages ng Tala.